Lancellotti, Shana Wall, Sheryl Crow. Ryan Seacrest was rumored to have had a past relationship with Sheryl Crow. More Sheryl Crow. The best Sheryl Crow songs. 121 of 136 famous accordionists. 73 of 739 the best singers of all time. Teri Hatcher. In 2006, Ryan Seacrest and Teri Hatcher were photographed kissing, sparking dating rumors. More Teri Hatcher. 447 of 843 the best actresses in film history. 757 of 1883 the greatest actors and actresses in entertainment history. 196 of 348 the best American actresses working today. Holly Huddleston, Sophie Monk, Sara Jean Underwood, Tara Connor, Jasmine Waltz. In 2009, Ryan Seacrest was rumored to have been in a relationship with Jasmine Waltz. Julianne Hough. More Julianne Hough. 3 of 74 Mormon celebrities. 114 of 160 the top female country singers. 79 of 79 the best reality show judges. Dominique Piek, Shayna Taylor. Ryan Seacrest and model and personal chef Shayna Taylor were first linked together from March 2013 to December 2014 before getting back together in 2016. In late February 2019, US Weekly confirmed that the pair had split.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care, bye.